Hey guys, Peter Timmer with Action Water Sports here. Today we're going to be going over a couple tips and tricks to make your boating life easier, starting off with how we can make boat launch life easier. When bringing a boat to the boat launch, it's really important to be prepared. Starting off with, are you comfortable backing up your boat? If you're not, one thing I highly suggest you try is go to an empty parking lot somewhere and take a couple practice swings. General rule of thumb is if you need to back your boat up, grab the bottom of your steering wheel and whatever direction you move your hand is the direction the boat will go. Once you're comfortable backing up your trailer, it's good to have the boat as prepared as you can be to go in the water. That means having the cover stowed, having your gear stowed so you're not moving things from your vehicle into your boat. If you need docking lines, make sure that those are accessible. Put your drain plug in, that one's very important, and remove the transom straps from the trailer. Once you've gotten to the launch, pick your spot. Set yourself up for your turn to where you know where you're going to back the boat up. Pull up, get the boat as straight as you can, and then you'll nail that back up. Remember, if you have trouble with this, grab the bottom of the steering wheel and whatever direction you move your hand, the boat will go. When you're backing into the water, you'll stop backing in once you see the back of the boat raising up from the trailer. If you're by yourself, I like to leave the boat hooked up to the front of the trailer so it can't float away on you. Get the boat running once you're in the water before you take your vehicle away. This is important. It's nice to have that security if there's any trouble with the boat. When in doubt, take it slow. You never want to approach the dock at a speed you're not willing to hit it. Lastly, part of the Action Water Sports advantage is we deliver the boat and make sure you are comfortable with your purchase. If you ever need a refresher, we have a dedicated lessons team that's available to be a resource, whether that's boating skills or water sports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. If you want any more resources, please visit our learning center at actionwater.com. Until then, we'll see you on the water.